Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Well, welcome to 10 Wigs in 10 Minutes. If you are new to my channel, first of all, welcome. Thanks for stopping by today. I hope you'll like and subscribe. I do these little videos where I show you 10 wigs in 10 minutes. Now listen, the countdown doesn't start till I actually start showing you the wigs. So I like to talk a little bit about what I'm going to show, and then I will quickly go through these 10 wigs. Now, today, all of the wigs I'm going to show you are basic cap wigs. Now, this is not a wig review. I have reviewed these wigs. I will put the name of the wigs up somewhere up here. And if you see one you want to know more about, you can search my channel. Go to the search bar of my channel and put in the name of the wig, and if I have done a review, it will pop up there for you. That review will contain a detailed review of the wig. That meaning cap, construction, fit, color, indoor and outdoor, everything you need to know. But this is not that. This is just a fun video showing you 10 wigs in 10 minutes. And if you see one you like, you can look in my search bar and find it. Now, like I said, today everything is going to be basic cap. And you know what that means? Permatease. If you don't like permatease, you can just go ahead and click off of this video. Because this video, every wig I show you is going to have permatease. If you have watched me for any length of time, you know I love permatease. Big hair, yes ma'am, I love big hair. That is something I enjoy. I enjoy my mono features. I enjoy my full hand-tied caps. I love it all. And that is the beauty of this wig journey. We can absolutely love it all. And so let's get started and look at 10 wigs in 10 minutes. All right, let's start it off. This is Renea Paris. This is Jude, and the color is Creamy Toffee Rooted. One of my favorite, actually my first wig was Creamy Toffee Rooted, and I have had it in so many styles since then. This has a nice bang on it. You know, y'all, every wig I put on that has a bang, I use a hot air brush to tame those bangs, to roll them under a little bit. It's just my way. But this one has a nice bang, again, full of permatease. It gives it the shape. It will hold its shape, which is nice. Isn't this a pretty color? Creamy Toffee Rooted. I really like that. Now, another little note on permatease. You cannot get rid of permatease in a wig. Now, you can thin a wig. I would caution you, if you're going to do that, to make sure you've watched lots of videos and you know how to do it, because you can ruin a wig very quickly by thinning it and not really kind of knowing what you're doing. You can thin a wig, yes. Can you get rid of permatease? No. If you start cutting that permatease and getting into that, you're going to show the wefts, you're going to ruin the wig. So be very careful with that. There are some ways to tame the permatease a little. You can use your hot air brush and brush through it, brush it down a little, smooth it a little, but you cannot rid a wig of permatease. It is baked into the style, and it is there for a reason. This is Henry Margu Carly and 10613 GR. I have worn this wig so many times. I have it in several different colors. I really enjoy the curls on this. It has a wave. It has a beautiful shape. Basic cap. And also, guys, don't be afraid to style these basic cap wigs. You know, there's no lace front. But you see, this one, I can pull it off my face, just bring a little bit of that hair down, cover that front. There's no lace front there. Many times I have worn this wig and I'll put a little pin in it. I'll just slightly pull out a few hairs. You cannot see that that does not have a lace front. So there are definitely ways to style these wigs. But this is such a beautiful, beautiful style. Henry Margu Carly. All right, this is Renea Paris, the Orchid Collection. This is Scorpio. Now, they have a Scorpio PM that has some mono features, but this is just the regular Scorpio, and the color is Nutmeg F. Now, as you can see, I took this out of the box, and these bangs have a life of their own, just like I told you earlier. So I'm going to show you how I take care of that. Here's my Hot Tools hot air brush. and I just run it through my bangs. Keep this, always keep your styling tool moving. I just use one hand to roll this, and I use the other hand to kind of just put the fiber, make sure it stays in the brush. And that is how easy it is just to get those bangs under control. Like I said, you could run this through your hair. You can see that sleeks it down a little bit, but again, you cannot get rid of the permatease, nor do I want to. So I think this is an adorable style, Scorpio. Tried and true. Can't get enough of it. Think this color is so, so beautiful. So give this one a try. Raquel Welch, Voltage in Glazed Fire. What a color, right? This is a wow color. I think it's fantastic. I just like how vibrant this color is. But this wig comes in so many different shades, absolutely something for everyone. Has a bang, a little bit of wave. You can put some styling cream on this and really get this big, really piece this out. So much fun. You know, it's been around a long time for a reason. This is one of my favorites. You've seen me talk about it so many times. Noriko Alva and Sugarcane R. I have Alva in several colors, but I think it's a classic. I love the length of Alva. The bang is gorgeous. Really a nice style. Layered a little bit around the face, which I think is nice. You can see how that comes down. Just a wearable style for so many people. Another one of my favorite wigs, Renea Paris Coco, and this color is Maple Sugar R. This is such a pretty color. I think the highlights are so pretty here. Long bang, flippy ends, lots of layers. It has it all out of the box, ready to go. Just think, I like the bang on this. It's a little longer, I think, and it has a lot of highlights in the bang with this color that I think it just gives it a lot of personality here. I like the flippy ends. Nothing about it I don't like. This is a really nice style. All right, this is Henry Margu Claire 82726 GR. I got this wig and fell in love with it immediately. You know, I'm trying to show you more brunettes, more dark, darker colors, and I think this color is so beautiful, but I like the wig. I love the curls on this wig. Just think they are gorgeous. Make sure you see those up close. So wearable for so many people, I think. And yep, lots of permatease here, but again, less than Noriko, but still absolutely permatease. Raquel Welch Trendsetter in Glazed Strawberry. What a beautiful, popular, not only wig, but color for Raquel Welch. Trendsetter, I have Trendsetter Elite. But this is, again, just the wefted version, and this started it all off. And again, y'all, these are just easy to wear styles. They are what they are. Again, don't try to make these wigs something they're not. These are not sleek wigs. These will never be sleek wigs. They're not meant to be that. They are meant to be what they are. They are meant to have permatease. They are meant to have lift. They are meant to have these shapes. So just always keep in mind, let your wigs be what they're meant to be. We get in trouble, I think, with wigs when we start trying to change them. Now, of course, we can make them our own in lots of ways. You can trim the bangs. You can do things like that you'd like to do. But just to change the style on these types of wigs, you can't do that. They are what they are. Trendsetter. Okay, let's just take a minute and talk about this wig, because this is just a point I want to make. This is Ellen Villa Swing in Light Champagne Rooted. I have a video on my channel. This is a basic cap wig. This is an example of one that does not have a lot of permatease. Like I said, the Noriko, the Renea Paris, those tend to have a lot of permatease. This does not. You can see this is really very light permatease, but it is a basic cap and there is a small amount to keep the wefts covered. But I want to show you some of everything. So just when you say, oh, that's a basic cap, it's going to have too much permatease for me, that might not always be the case. So be sure to check your reviews from your favorite reviewer. If they've reviewed it for you and they talk about permatease, be sure to check that. Not all wigs have huge amounts of permatease. This is such a really nice pixie, fits very nice and tight to the nape. Like I said, I have a full review on it. I think it's so cute. I love the bangs. You can get your hands in here. You can get a little lift in this. Again, there's not that much permatease in this wig, but wow, it's a winner. All right, Renea Paris Bailey in Spring Honey. Now this color, look how pretty this color is. I wanted you to see this highlighting. It's pretty the way they have it going down into the ends of this wig. This wig has a lot of permatease in it. It has a bang. It's very layered. You know, again, with the permatease wigs, they don't all have to look heavy. In my opinion, this does not look heavy because of the way the ends are cut on this wig. They're very wispy, they're very light, they have a lot of movement here. Again, this has enough length that you could do some styling options with this one. So yeah, this is really pretty. I like the movement in this wig. It's what I think the bang is done very well on this wig. It's very natural looking. The color's nice. This is just a nice style. Okay, 10 wigs in 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.